have heat gun. I used this for over 10 years on a bunch of repairs I used to do. Would heat up plastic and stuff just to make things come off easier. But it finally died on me after a decade. Actually, my dad used this in his body shop. And since he retired, I grabbed a bunch of his tools and used them for my specific needs. Bunch of screws. And I'm guessing there's going to be a motor in here, and that's pretty much about it. Some cabling. There you go. So we have the motor here. That's about it. Bunch of cables. Go, garbage and garbage. Steel copper bearing motor. We're getting a nice little pile of stuff happening there. So again, cable, and they should have a board inside somewhere, so let's get into that, see what's going on. This is a nice little piece of equipment. So it has this nice board with some copper here.